Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking. Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna recreate a very quick and easy economic style bee hoon. Let's get started. So we're gonna need a couple of sauces, a portion of vermicelli or bee hoon, some shredded white cabbage, some eggs as toppings, and we're gonna need some minced garlic, 5 shallots, and half an inch of ginger. Okay, so take a portion of your bee hoon and soak them in some hot water and set it aside. So I love having some sunny side ups together with my bee hoon, so I'm just gonna crack some eggs and prepare them first, and once it's ready, we're gonna set them aside. So back to the pan, it's time to add in our sliced shallots as well as ginger, giving a couple of tosses until it's translucent, and we'll start adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And don't forget to add in your white cabbage, you guys. Alright, we're almost ready, giving a couple of tosses, make sure it's evenly coated before we start adding in our bee hoon. Time to give it some flavor and color. Add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce first, couple of tosses, and next we're gonna start adding in 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Okay, looking good you guys. Just give it a couple of tosses, make sure everything is well coated, and time to add in our dashes of white pepper. And we're done! Just top it off with an egg and you're finished! I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy breezy recipes. And now Perfect Eats is on Instagram, so be sure to follow us. Bye guys!